To create a team in Desklog, follow these steps. Log into Desklog dashboard. Step 1, go to the dashboard and select Register. Then choose Team. Step 2, click Create Team. If team leaders are unavailable, assign a new team leader from the user list. Go back to Users. Select the user you want to assign as Team Leader. Change his role to Team Leader. Now go back to the team creation. Enter the team. Name, select a leader from the list. You can create a team without choosing a team leader as well. And choose team members from the list. Step 3. Once done, click Create to finalize the team setup. You have successfully created a team.